Now I am creating a HTTP server or a web server. For this, first we make two topology. So for a topology creation, uh, first we go with the end devices. Here in the left corner, there are devices, network devices, end devices, components, connections, miscellaneous. These are the devices here we go through. First, for this HTTP server, we go with the end device. I'm selecting a PC here and I'm drag it here. And next, I'm going to select a switch. Here is the switch. So I'm selecting a PT switch here and I'm dragging and I'm setting here. Next, I want two servers. I'm selecting a server 1 and place it here. And I'm again selecting a server, that is a server 2. I'm placing it here. So next, we will connect each devices. Choose a wire first here. Here it is a connection. I'm choosing a copper straight through wire and I am connecting this from PC. I'm selecting a fast Ethernet here and I'm drag this to switch. Here I am selecting a fast Ethernet 0/1. Again I am selecting a switch here. From switch fast Ethernet 1/1 to server 1. Here fast Ethernet is 0. And again from server 1 fast Ethernet 0 to I am connecting a switch, that is fast Ethernet 2/1. So this is the connection we made it here. So next thing is we going to name these devices. So here are the two servers, server 0 and server 1. So server 0, we name it as a web server. And server 2, we name it as a DNS, that is domain name system server. Now we need to assign a IP address for all the components. So double click on a server and go for the desktop here. First we configure the IP address. So I am giving here a static IP address. IP address is 192.168.1.2. So this is the subnet mask and I am giving here a DNS server 192.168.1.1. Now it is saved. Again I go with the services here and I am selecting a HTTP here. Here is the HTML program. So we can delete all the above program if you want, or else we can edit this HTML program. Here is a index.html. That program I am editing here. Here is some code that we do not need this. So I am putting here code as welcome to VTU CSE. So I am closing my H1 tag here and I am saving this. Say yes. So this code will be saved now. Next, I am selecting a DNS, same as a desktop. Initially, I am setting a IPv4. In a web server, I given the DNS server as a 192.168.1.1. Same IP address here also I am mentioning. And DNS, it is the same as 192.168.1.1. So this will be IP address for your DNS server. Next, I will go with the services. So selecting a DNS here, I am going to on the DNS services here and I am going to name it as index and IP address is 192.168.1.2. I am giving the IP address of the web server and I am going to add this. So here is record is added. So this will be a DNS server. Next, I am setting a PC IP address. Desktop IP configuration 192.168.1.3 and DNS will be 192.168.1.1. So this IP address will set now. So here we can check the IP address. Here is a device name as a DNS server. So all the details here we will get the IP address, port number, link, MAC address. So here we will get the all the details of the component. So the next I am selecting a PC. Here I am selecting a web browser. I am running a URL here. Either I can mention the file name that is index. Say go. It will print welcome to VTU CSE. Or else we can give the IP address of the web server. Same thing will be print welcome to VTU CSE. So this is the regarding about HTTP protocol, HTTP server or a web server. Thank you.